Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Cake Wallet account. So let's get started right away. While there is no direct option to delete your Cake Wallet application account, there is another way to make sure that your account can never be accessed. In order to do this, you will need to delete your restore seed key that is given to you while creating your account so that you can log in later on. In order to go through with this process, first log out from your account by opening your phone settings and then tapping on apps. Now from the apps menu, just go ahead and search for Cake Wallet, and when you find it, tap on it to open it up. Now from the application settings page, tap on force stop at the bottom right corner first to stop the application. Then scroll down and tap on storage. Now from the storage menu, tap on clear cache at the bottom right corner first, and then tap on clear data alongside it. Then proceed with deleting your user data. And now if you open up the Cake Wallet application once again, you will be asked to either sign up or log in. Now if you simply delete your seed key, then you will not be able to use it to gain access to your account, which means that your account will be deleted. And there you have it. That is how you can delete your account with the Cake Wallet application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.